How to make a girl obsessed with you. Are you tired of being in the friend zone and want to know how to make a girl absolutely obsessed with you? Well, in this video, we're going to cover some powerful techniques that would help you become irresistible to any girl you desire. From psychological tricks to body language tips, we'll provide you with everything you need to know about making her fall head over heels for you. We'll delve into the importance of confidence and how to exude it, the art of flirting, and how to make her comfortable around you. We'll also discuss the traits and how they can ignite sparks of attraction in the right setting. You don't want to miss out on this one-of-a-kind guide to making a girl absolutely obsessed with you. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how you can make a lasting impression on any girl you meet and learn some tips and tricks that you can use in any social setting to leave a lasting impression. With our advice, you'll be well on your way to attracting the girl of your dreams and building a meaningful relationship with her. Firstly, it's important to understand that women are attracted to men who have a strong sense of purpose and direction in life. When you focus on self improvement and work toward becoming the best version of yourself, you naturally exude confidence and charisma. This is because you have a clear vision of who you want to be and what you want to achieve, and you're actively working toward those goals. Setting personal goals and working toward them with determination and discipline is a key aspect of self improvement. This could involve improving your physical fitness, like going to the gym, learning new skills, or pursuing a passion that you've always been interested in. Whatever your goals are, the important thing is that you're actively working toward them and making progress. As you start your self improvement journey, you'll naturally become more focused on yourself and less focused on trying to impress others. This is because you'll be more confident in yourself and your abilities, and you'll have a strong sense of self worth. This shift in mindset is incredibly attractive to women, as they'll see that you're not trying to improve yourself to anyone, but rather focused on your own growth and development. Furthermore, self improvement is an ongoing process. There's always room for growth and development, and this is an attractive quality in a man. Women are naturally drawn to men who are constantly striving to improve themselves, as it shows that they have a growth mindset and are not complacent in their lives. Be mysterious. As you become more focused on your self improvement, you'll inevitably become busier. This is a good thing, as being busy will make you more mysterious and intriguing to women. When you don't have time to immediately respond to messages or calls, it'll make her wonder what you're up to and make her desire your attention even more. Being mysterious doesn't mean being distant or unapproachable. It means having a life outside of the relationship and being independent. This will make you more attractive, as women are naturally drawn to men who are confident and self assured. By maintaining an air of mystery, women will find themselves thinking more about you and what you're doing when you're not around. It creates a level of intrigue and curiosity that keeps the relationship exciting and fresh. However, if you reveal everything about yourself right away, you lose that element of mystery and you'll lose that level of attraction that you built. In addition, being mysterious can also help you avoid appearing desperate or needy. When you're always available, it can make you seem too eager, and this can be a turnoff for women. By being less available and more mysterious, you give the impression that you have other things going on in your life and you're not desperate for attention or affection. But don't try to be mysterious by not replying to a message after you see a notification on your phone. This will involve your mental health, and no one wants to be around someone with bad mental health. Simply just focus on developing yourself, and as you progress, you'll even forget about other things like your phone or social media. With that in mind, let's move on to the next point. Be unique. In order to make a girl obsessed with you, it's important to stand out from the crowd. You don't want to be just another guy who blends in with the masses. Instead, you want to be unique and different in a way that catches her attention and makes her intrigued while being focused on becoming a better version of yourself, as we talked about in the previous points. One way to do this is by showcasing your unique qualities and interests. Embrace your quirks and individuality, and don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd. Maybe you have a unique hobby or talent that you're passionate about, or perhaps you have a different perspective on life that sets you apart from others. Whatever it is, use it to your advantage and showcase it in a way that you seem crazy about. That one thing that will make not only women but all of your friends constantly think about your current purpose and will want to join you, to follow you. By doing this, you'll gain more respect for your hard work and the attention from women will come by itself. Surround yourself with more women. When it comes to making a girl obsessed with you, it's important to understand the power of social proof. This is the idea that people are more likely to follow the actions of others, particularly those in their social circle. In other words, when a woman sees that other women are interested in you, it can make her more attracted to you as well. Having more women around you can also create a sense of scarcity, which can make you more desirable. When a woman sees that you have other women in your life, she may feel like she has to compete for your attention and affection. This can create a sense of urgency and make her more invested in pursuing you. When you have more women around you, it can change the perception that other women have of you. They may see you as more attractive and desirable simply because you're in the company of other women. This is because women unconsciously associate a man's value with the attention he receives from other women. By doing this, you will polarize women as you'll be more masculine in the presence of more women. Because masculinity is the main factor that separates men from women, and some men these days are addicted to technology in a bad way, which makes them feel more comfortable, so they become weak. We talked a lot in other videos about masculinity. That's why I'll not dive deep here, but make sure to check out our channel, which is full of content focusing on masculinity, in order to get a better understanding of what masculinity is. Build respect. In addition to focusing on self improvement and having more women around you, it's important to build respect among your peers and those around you. This means developing a reputation as a man of integrity, character, and leadership. When others respect you, it can make you more attractive to women and increase your overall value in social and professional circles. This is a kind of layer that you gain on your self improvement journey, but it requires its own effort and focus. Building respect involves living up to your word, treating others with kindness and respect, and standing up for what you believe in. It means being a person of your word and a reliable individual that others can count on. There are many examples of men who have built respect in various fields. Rappers like Jay-Z and Kendrick Lamar have built respect for their lyricism and cultural impact. Football players like Cristiano Ronaldo have built respect for their skills that they have worked on and off the field. Entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have built respect for their innovative ideas and groundbreaking achievements. That's how you make a girl obsessed with you. I hope you found these tips helpful and will use them to improve your dating game. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on masculinity and relationships. In our next video, we'll be discussing why Sigma male breeds may be dangerous. Don't want to give you too many spoilers, but be sure to hit the notification bell to stay up to date. And as always, thank you for being a part of our community. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.